You have likely heard the term tort in legal dramas, but what does it actually mean for your personal finances and liability? Let's simplify it. At its core, a tort is a civil wrong that causes someone else to suffer loss or harm, resulting in legal liability for the person who commits the act. Civil litigation is a massive part of our economy, involving billions of dollars in settlements and damages every single year. Torts generally fall into three buckets: negligence, where care was lacking; intentional acts; and strict liability, where you are responsible regardless of intent. It is crucial to distinguish torts from criminal law. While criminal law punishes offenders with jail, tort law focuses on compensating victims with money. Car accidents make up the largest share of tort claims, followed by medical malpractice and premises liability cases. The fundamental goal of this system is to make the injured party whole again by shifting the financial burden of the loss to the responsible party. Understanding these basics helps you grasp how liability works in the real world. Subscribe for more money basics and legal literacy tips.